Oh my gosh. What's up, everybody? How are you? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. The fitness you can eat. So, as you can see, I'm doing things a little differently today, but that's okay because we're still going to make awesome food. You know, because that's just kind of the thing that we do here. Speaking of excellent food, what are we making today? I'm making pea soup. Let's get started. Right, okay, so this is actually a super easy recipe. We're gonna start with putting some oil, extra virgin olive oil, into a pan, put it about medium heat, and then we're gonna add in the onions so they can sweat a little bit, they can saute a little bit, they can do their little thing, and then we'll add some more. Right, so you don't want to add too much oil because you don't want this to be kind of oily. You want it to be smooth and creamy, so don't add too much. Alright, so now that that's browned a little bit, it's sauteed, it's done its thing, we're going to add the frozen peas. Now, like I said, or like I'm going to actually write, you don't have to use frozen peas. You can use fresh ones as well. I'm using frozen peas because that's what I have. So we're just gonna chuck those in, and yeah, let's go. So because these are frozen, I'm gonna let them thaw through just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add in the stock and the pepper, the ginger, and all of that stuff in the water as well. Right, so let's add in the pepper, the stock, and let's stir that just a little bit. I'm gonna add in the water. Can you even hear what I'm... Oh, now you can hear me. That got real quiet real fast. All right, now before I stir everything, I'm gonna add in the ginger and the garlic. Oh, it smells so good. Right, so I put the top on. I'm gonna let that simmer for a couple of minutes, and then it's all gonna get blended. Perfect, so we're going to blend it. So easy, so simple. Watch how it's done. Right now, so that is finished. It's looking pretty good, but I want it to be, like I said, a little smoother, so I'm gonna put it through a sieve, like I said, before putting it back onto the heat. A little spatula. Now this is a process you don't have to do. You know, if you want a little bit more of the chunks, then fine, go ahead. If your blender doesn't, you know, puree it perfectly. Mine doesn't puree absolutely perfectly, so I just like this added step. Like I said, you don't have to. once you put it through the sieve, that would be a good time to add a little salt if you feel it. Give it a taste and see what you think. If you want some, add some. You don't need some, don't need it. As you can see, it is going through. Can you see that? You can barely see that. Trust me, it's going through. That's it, guys. Did I not tell you it was super easy? You need to give this one a try. It's really smooth. Trust me, the sieve does really help. It's just really smooth. It's fantastic. It's beautiful. Trust me, you gotta give it a try. So listen, before you give it a try, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, why would you not? It's free. Come on. I always say that. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. All right, I am going to go have some of this and enjoy it thoroughly. I will see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.